Cherie! Okay, Cherie, stop, Cherie. Cherie, it hurt. Cherie, you gonna leave my feet alone because it hurt? It hurt. You're not gonna leave my... Oh! Cherie, it hurt. Oh, you hold my foot down with your paw. You can hold my feet down with your paw. You're cute. You're cute. Oh, isn't she adorable? She's just so cute. She's just so cute. Trying to eat my foot off. Can't eat my foot off. Girl. Ah! Why your feet so strong? Oh yeah. Now we got her pumped up and she coming for me. Evidence. Ah. Yeah, chill. Come get my foot if you really want it. Oh, it was good, Cherie. Oh, it was good. Oh, she said, oh yeah. You jumped all the way to the other bed to get it. Oh, you should see her, y'all. Oh my, she tripping. Okay, Cherie. Oh, your foot is in me. Your teeth was in my foot.